Your cabin could get you banned from cruising forever. It looks like paradise. Private sanctuary, ocean views, you're floating home away from home. But cruise lines are banking on you not knowing that your stateroom is packed with 17 hidden traps that could cost you $1,200 plus or end your cruise before it starts. Most passengers break these rules without realizing it, and cruise lines won't warn you because every violation adds to their profits. This is the part cruise executives pray you never discover. Let's set sail. Number 1. The minibar money trap. Most cruisers don't realize that those tempting bottles in your cabin fridge are financial landmines waiting to explode your cruise budget. Even with a beverage package, every single item in that minibar, from Evian water to soft drinks, carries premium charges that can hit your account instantly. Here's the insider move that saves cruise veterans hundreds. Walk to guest services on embarkation day and say, "I'd like the minibar items removed from my cabin to avoid accidental charges." They'll send housekeeping to clear everything out within hours. Pro tip, if you accidentally grab something, report it to guest services immediately. They'll often remove first-time charges as a courtesy, but only if you're proactive. Ready for the kicker? This next secret involves a rule so strict that breaking it could get you thrown off the ship before your first port day. Number 2, the smoking banishment rule. Lighting anything in your cabin, including substances legal in your home state, triggers sensors that alert security immediately, and you'll be escorted off at the next port with a lifetime ban. When you feel the urge to smoke, head to designated outdoor areas and tell any crew member, "Could you direct me to the nearest designated smoking area?" They're required to help you find legal spots. Pro tip, even vaping triggers the same sensors and penalties. Cruise ships treat it identically to smoking, with no exceptions for any device or substance. If you thought cabin smoking was bad, wait until you hear about the balcony violation that's even worse. Number 3, the balcony smoking disaster. Balcony smoking isn't just prohibited, it's considered a fire hazard so severe that it can trigger emergency protocols. Balcony smoke detectors are connected to the ship's main safety systems, and one cigarette can cause entire deck evacuations. The moment you step onto your balcony, resist any smoking urges and instead enjoy the fresh ocean air as intended. If you're desperate, immediately head to the nearest outdoor smoking area. Pro tip, some European cruise lines allow balcony smoking, but major cruise lines serving U.S. waters have zero tolerance. Don't risk it based on other ships' policies. Think that's shocking? Here's where most cruisers get blindsided by damage they never saw coming. Number 4, the hidden damage minefield. Seemingly innocent cabin organizers and decorations can trigger damage charges that show up weeks after your cruise. Overdoor organizers can scratch bathroom doors, and regular tape on walls causes expensive paint damage that housekeeping reports to guest services. Before hanging anything, ask your cabin steward, what's the safest way to hang items without damaging the cabin? They'll often provide magnetic hooks or suggest safe alternatives. Pro tip, use magnetic hooks for metal surfaces, command hooks for temporary mounting, or sticky tack for lightweight items, but never standard tape or anything that leaves residue. Okay, here's the part nobody talks about, the theft trap that catches honest cruisers every single time. Number 5, the complimentary item confusion. Those beautiful bathrobes, plush towels, and elegant umbrellas in your cabin aren't gifts. They're inventory items with hidden tracking numbers. Accidentally packing these triggers automatic charges ranging from $25 for towels to $150 for robes. Before packing, scan your belongings and ask yourself, did I bring this on board? If there's any doubt, leave it behind or check with your cabin steward. Pro tip, true take-home items are usually in branded bags or have complimentary tags. When in doubt, ask guest services directly to avoid surprise charges. All right, you're not going to believe this next safety violation that could literally blow your balcony door off its hinges. Number 6, the wind tunnel weapon. Opening both cabin doors simultaneously creates a dangerous wind tunnel that can cause serious injuries. The pressure differential can slam doors with enough force to cause fractures, and there's been at least one documented case of a door severing fingertips. When you want fresh air circulation, open one door at a time and always keep a hand ready to control door movement. Never let children near doors during windy conditions. Pro tip: if you need cross ventilation, prop one door slightly and fully open the other. This prevents dangerous pressure buildup while still providing airflow. Now this might surprise you, the railing rule that most parents never consider until it's too late. Number 7. The balcony safety nightmare. Cruise lines prefer you don't know that balcony railings are designed for leaning, not climbing, and furniture placement creates deadly accident opportunities. Here's what they keep hidden. Children standing on chairs near railings can easily tumble overboard, and adults sitting on railings face fatal falls from simple balance shifts. Tell your kids firmly, balcony furniture stays away from railings, and railings are never for climbing or sitting. Keep that top safety lock engaged at all times when children are present. Pro tip: move all balcony furniture at least 3 feet from railings and use the sliding door's top safety latch. It's there specifically to prevent accidents. Here's the mistake that costs passengers the most goodwill with the crew members who control your cruise experience. Number 8. The cabin steward respect rule. Most cruisers don't realize that being rude to cabin stewards doesn't just ruin relationships. It actually reduces service quality for your entire cruise. Cruise lines prefer you don't know that stewards communicate with each other and can collectively make your stay miserable if you're consistently difficult. Always greet your steward warmly and say, "Thank you for taking such great care of our cabin." A little kindness goes incredibly far in getting exceptional service. Pro tip: tip your steward extra on the first day and mention any special needs. They'll often go above and beyond for respectful, appreciative guests. Ignore this next one, and your dream vacation could end before it begins. Number 9. The privacy invasion mistake. Here's what they keep hidden. Forgetting your do not disturb sign doesn't just mean interrupted sleep. It can lead to cabin stewards walking in during intimate moments or while you're undressed. Most cruisers don't realize that stewards have master keys and will enter unannounced if they don't see privacy signals. Make it a habit to say to your travel companion, "Let's put out the do not disturb sign every time you want guaranteed privacy." Pro tip: cabin stewards usually have backup items to deliver, so they may enter multiple times daily unless you clearly signal when you want privacy. This next secret, it's the one cruise veterans swear by for keeping their cabins actually clean. Number 10. The cleaning signal disaster. Cruise lines prefer you don't know that forgetting to remove your do not disturb sign means your cabin simply won't be cleaned and you'll return to yesterday's mess. Here's what they keep hidden. Stewards work on tight schedules, and if your signal says stay out, they'll move to the next cabin and won't return. Create a departure routine. Let's remove the do not disturb sign and put out the service requested sign every time you leave for activities. Pro tip: if you forget and miss cleaning, contact your steward directly. They'll often accommodate a later cleaning time if you're polite and understanding. Now, before we continue, if you're still here, you clearly care about cruising smarter. Do me a favor, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss insider tips like these. And don't worry, the biggest game changers are still ahead. Number 11, the tip removal betrayal. Most cruisers don't realize that removing automatic gratuities doesn't just affect faceless corporations, it directly reduces income for the cabin steward who cleans your room twice daily. Cruise lines prefer you don't know that these workers depend on gratuities for basic living wages. If you want to modify tips, visit guest services and say, "I'd like to handle gratuities personally," rather than removing them entirely. Then tip your cabin steward directly. Pro tip: cabin stewards often work 7-month contracts with minimal days off. Your gratuities might be their only path to supporting families back home. Number 12, the fire hazard contraband. Bringing irons and steamers isn't just prohibited, it's considered such a serious fire hazard that these items are confiscated and you might face questioning from security. Fire is what cruise ship captains fear most. It's the hardest thing to control at sea. Instead of sneaking prohibited items, ask guest services. What pressing services are available on board? Most ships offer laundry pressing services or have public steamers available. Pro tip: pack wrinkle-resistant clothing and use hanging steamers from your shower. The bathroom humidity naturally releases wrinkles overnight. This next part? It's the deal breaker that's getting people banned for life. Number 13, the substance banishment trap. Bringing any controlled substances, even those legal in your home state, can result in lifetime bans and criminal charges. Federal maritime law supersedes state laws, making even legal substances illegal at sea. Before packing anything questionable, ask yourself, is this worth risking my cruise and future cruising? The answer should always be no. Pro tip: cruise security works with federal authorities, and violations can follow you home with serious legal consequences. It's never worth the risk. Number 14, the valuables disaster protocol. Leaving valuables unsecured isn't just risky, it voids insurance claims if items are stolen. Cabin safes are your only protection, and even legitimate theft claims get denied if you didn't use provided security measures. The moment you unpack, put all valuables in the safe and tell your travel companion, let's make sure everything important is secured before we leave. Pro tip: store jewelry, passports, and cash in the cabin safe, and avoid sharing your safe code with anyone. Also, consider securing important prescription medications to prevent loss. Here's where most cruisers get blindsided by a seemingly harmless bathroom mistake. Number 15, the toilet system catastrophe. Cruise ship vacuum toilet systems are so sensitive that flushing anything except ship-provided toilet paper can flood your bathroom and neighboring cabins. Flushable wipes and personal items can cause thousands in damage charges. Only flush what the ship provides, and tell everyone in your cabin, only ship toilet paper goes down that toilet, everything else goes in the trash. Pro tip: if you accidentally flush something inappropriate, immediately contact your cabin steward. Quick action might prevent expensive damage charges. Number 16, the neighbor noise nightmare. Cruise ship walls are incredibly thin, and your balcony conversations carry to neighboring cabins and public areas. Loud arguments, music, or intimate conversations can be heard clearly by other guests and often trigger noise complaints. Keep balcony noise to conversational levels and remind your group, let's keep our voices down. Sound really travels out here on the water. Pro tip: cruise ship security takes noise complaints seriously and can issue formal warnings that appear in your cruise file for future bookings. And finally, the one secret season cruisers swear by for avoiding the most devastating cruise mistake. Number 17, the disembarkation day disaster. Before leaving your cabin on the last day of your cruise, check your cabin safe for any valuables like car keys, passports, or money. Unfortunately, forgetting important items at the end of your cruise can lead to significant problems. Cruise lines prefer you don't know that once you disembark, you cannot reboard the ship, and retrieving forgotten items requires expensive courier services or flying back to get them. Create a disembarkation morning routine. Systematically check the safe, all drawers, the bathroom, and underbeds while saying out loud, safe, drawers, bathroom, beds, nothing left behind. Pro tip: pack your carry-on the night before and do a final sweep with your phone's flashlight. You'd be amazed what people leave in dark corners and high shelves. So, which mistake are you most grateful to avoid? And what's your own secret cruise cabin hack that saved you money or problems? Drop it in the comments so we can all sail smarter together. Speaking of sailing smarter, you won't believe the disembarkation day mistakes that are costing cruisers thousands. I break down every single one in my next video. Hit like, share this with your cruise buddies, and subscribe to join thousands of savvy cruisers who refuse to get caught off guard. Until next time, smooth sailing!